Alright, so I'm about to take off the intake manifold, or the fuel injection unit in the intakes. So there was a lot of cables in here, so I decided to label them all as recommended by the Haynes manual. We have one that comes off of this main big bundle that comes across the side here. One plugs in here. This is 3, and I guess it's currently not attached to anything. I'm not sure where that goes anymore. I apparently labeled 2 and 3 on the same cord. 4 comes off the main bundle and goes into this bracket here. Let's see. Oh, 5 goes up to the wall back there. I can't really read it, but that's number 5. Alright, so 7 right here. 6. Where is 6? I don't see. Oh. 6 comes around there and plugs in behind that bracket. This big green plug. 7, 8. I think we're moving over to the alternator now. This is 8, and it goes past the alternator and attaches to that. 9 comes from over here, and this is 9 here, and it actually has a plug on it, and just almost fell. Plugged into the side of the, or into the actual plug. See 10. Where is 10? Well, I see 11. 11 is right here. And it plugs up to this green cable up here, and out of this main big bracket down there. 12, and unlabeled next to 12, attached to what seems to be a transformer before the distributor. I think the only thing left is 10. Let me see if I can find that. Ah, okay. It's hiding over here. That's 10, and it also goes into this connection here. Alright, that's it for now.